pile up fast. Reduce the trash that's in your can. Reusing things will help the land. Recycle, it's not hard to do. Recycle, start with me and you. We are on a mission to save the world. Does not matter if you're boy or girl.
Wait a minute, before I'm all finished, don't use me up. Cause I got what you need, so please, oh please, oh please, don't use me up. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. If you're gonna use me, don't use me up. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. If you're gonna use me, don't use me up.
Responsible consumption and production is important.
Why?
As if it is not taken seriously, it can cause major problems.
Oh, no.
Cause major problems for upcoming generations. And if we don't do something fast, it can destroy human creations.
Let's save our planet with a pledge. Sustainable consumption, let's not hedge. Companies and people, let's adopt. Sustainability, let's stop the rot.
Wait a minute, before I'm all finished, don't use me up. Cause I got what you need, so please, oh please, oh please, don't use me up. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. If you're gonna use me, don't use me up. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. If you're gonna use me, don't use me up.
We're living in a world where we take and take. Resources we use, we can make a mistake. When we consume and produce at an unstable rate, that leads to exhaustion and we just can't wait. People from all nations are impacted, especially those in countries that are affected. The environment is ruined, natural resources deplete. Global warming is a problem that we must beat.
Hey, wait a minute, before I'm all finished, don't use me up. Cause I got what you need, so please, oh please, oh please, don't use me up. Don't